Let me turn on this layer. In this layer, I have my 2D profile, which is going to be used for cutting this object. In Rhino 8, we do know that we can extrude and cut this object in one single pass. But I do not want to do that. What I want to do, first, let me switch to this layer, extrude. And once I extrude it, let me go back to the top and do a polar array. The axis or center of rotation will be 0, 3 items, press enter, enter, and now we have the cutters. So now we are going to do the Boolean differences. And do I want to delete the input? Yes, I do want to delete it. Select the base, press enter, and select the 3 cutters. Press enter, and now we can render it, and there we have our beautiful model. Perfect. Undo, undo, undo. Ghosted, and let us continue.